Now it's available at McCarthy Cars, Audi A5, 63 plate 2013, metallic black. Car has front parking sensors. It's got 18-inch alloy wheels. Car has privacy rear glass. Car has rear parking sensors. Has split folding rear seats. Full cream leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, 4 electric windows, got electric mirrors. Car has satellite navigation, it's telephone, Bluetooth connection, DAB radio, media, it's got jukebox. Audi multimedia, auto start stop function, 2-zone climate control air conditioning, automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel. Thank you for watching.